Hey guys, this is the Canon TS6220 multifunction color inkjet printer. To start, it has a paper tray in the front that takes only normal plain paper, and there's also a paper feeder in the rear which would take glossy paper and smaller paper sizes. Let's go and open up the ink bay. There's 5 cartridges there. There's cyan, yellow, magenta, and then 2 blacks. The wider cartridge there is a pigment black, which is used for text printing to make higher quality text documents. So let's go ahead and turn it on by pressing the power button. The screen tilts up and down. So let's go ahead and load a piece of glossy photo paper into the rear. Okay, as we can see on the screen, I just need to confirm the size and type of paper in there. So I'm going to change that to letter glossy and hit yes. And that's the main menu there. So let me go ahead and zoom back out. And then we need to pull this out to catch the paper. So I'm gonna go ahead and print out a full page picture now. Okay, I just hit print. All right, and it shows on the screen that it's printing and how much ink we've left. If you're printing like text documents or smaller photos, it will not take so long to print. It's just the full page letter sizes that it takes a long time to print like this. And this is a picture of my cockatoo, by the way. Okay. So this is gloss paper. This is gloss photo paper. That looks very nice. Let me go ahead and compare it to the same picture I had made professionally. This is that same picture. This was made at Walmart. The one on the right, sorry, the one on the left is made at Walmart. The one on the right, I just made right now. So you can tell this is the one I made. That's the one Walmart made. They're very, very similar. So I'm amazed at how high quality this picture came out from this Canon printer. Now let's go ahead and print out a 4x6 photo. The printer does come with a few of these 4x6 glossy cards right here. This is a glossy card just like that letter size paper I just had. So I'm going to go ahead and open the rear feeder and place that right in there. Four by six glossy, enter. Okay, so I'm going to print out that same picture now on a 4x6. Okay, I just hit print. I'm not sure if you can tell, but the whole table is shaking from the printer. And one thing I love about this printer, the key feature, it does not print any borders on these pictures. It's a borderless printer, so again, that looks very nice right there. So let's go ahead and test the scanner now. I'm going to go ahead and place this on the flatbed. Ideally, when you're printing like this, you should let it dry, but I'll go ahead and do this real fast. And it's just going to print out on regular copy paper, so it won't be glossy like that. Here, let me show you what I did. Hit copy. We'll do just a standard copy on standard paper. Color. It's a scanning document. There we go. There we go. That looks good. It's not as great as the glossy paper, but that looks very good. Alright guys, thank you for watching.